Let's start with this project, build a simple flow. Let's see what is there, what is the requirement that they have given to work on this. Okay. So first, in the first section, so it says collect contact info from the user. Okay. So by reading this line, can anyone tell me what is the type of flow that they are expecting here?
Screen flow.
How can you say that?
Because uh, it capturing the information from a user, and a screen flow is a informative flow.
Okay, good. So they are asking to collect some information from the user. Okay, so there should be a medium to collect the information, right? So yes, screen flow is the right one to choose here. Okay. So what they are trying to say here in this project, you are going to use a flow workflow builder, captures information from user, queries to self a record that matches what the user enters, could decides whether to update the matching record or create a new one. Creates and creates a record. Okay. So basically, what they're trying to, what we are going to do in this is, so we are going to collect some information from the user using a screen, then doing a query. So get record. I remember someone has about asked about get records. How we are going to do that? So that same get records that is about this line. Okay, and this the third line is based on condition. So decide. So decide means there will be some condition. Based on that condition, whether to go and create a new record or update the existing record. Okay, so that's the overall this brief about testing. Screen is fine. We already have that. Fine. So let's see. This project starts you to know more. Can you see, guys, my screen? Is it? I mean, the font is visible, right? Are you
Yes.
want me to increase? Yeah, just read out this description and tell me like what you guys are understanding from this. Okay. So start, guys, like from your systems also. Open this same module and come here. So they already given us steps. Can we follow the same?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So create a flow. Just like go to setup, new flow, and select the type as screen flow, and click create. Create this screen flow. Hope till it's clear. So on this plus symbol, click on it. From the interaction section, select screen. So you will see this screen on your system. Under screen properties, they want to enter contact info. So do the same what they're suggesting here. Contact info. API name will get automatically populated. So the screen name is going to be like contact info. Click on done if you already created and enter the label of the screen. So it should like this. After clicking done, start contact info and end. Everyone created the screen, contact info screen. So till this 7th step you guys completed. Who are doing this exercise now? Please answer. Till the seventh step you guys completed.
No.
Okay, are you stuck somewhere?
No. I started just.
Okay. Okay, in the next step, they're asking to save the flow after creating this screen component. So they want you to save the flow. The flow name will be new contact. The AP name will get auto populated. If not, just type it on your own like this. Okay, click. So that means you created a flow with the screen component inside it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Hope the remaining people also created. So now what they're asking, so they want you to create a record variable for the contact. So we created a screen right here. So from that screen, the usage of the screen is the to get input, right? So we may enter the contact information to the screen. So to store inside the flow and to commit into the database, we need a variable or resource. Okay. So they want you to create a new resource here. So in the same flow, at the left side, you can see this toolbox. Okay. Under manager, new resource, click on that new resource. Here they want the resource type as variable. Okay, take that type as variable and API name, enter contact. Data type also record, because contact record information we are going to store it inside that. Okay, so the data type we have selected as contact, record here. Okay, so it will ask you to choose the object in the next screen. So choose the object as contact. Okay, once you're done with that step, it would look like this. Single record with the variable S1. Click save. Let me know once you've done till this step.
Hi Venkat. I did not get that. When should I use the toggle here?
Sorry, when should you be?
Toggle. In the
Can you repeat
screen,
the
we have
question again,
option.
Rahul?
Yeah. Actually, in the next modules, sorry, in the next unit, they have to, they have guided us to use the toggle in the screen.
So what do you mean? What is the
If you are
general
letting
meaning
know.
of toggling?
Yeah, and when we use.
So what is toggle meaning? So it's a normal English I'm asking. What is the meaning of toggle?
Swap between two things.
Okay. So inside, so or you can say one in another, right? So like for example, let's take a screen where it says the whole contact information. Inside that, one screen again we can take which only displays the address information. So this address information is again depends on some condition. Let's say that current address and permanent address are both the same or not. There is a checkbox. When it is true, then you need to display the address. If it is not, then you can hide. So this is how it gets to work. So based on your requirement, so basically you might have seen when you are creating some fields also, right?
Yeah.
To fill up when the controlling field is there. Similar to that, Here, the toggling also works in the same way.
Okay, that means switching from one screen to another.
Resource done. And I hope you guys created this new resource. Okay, now we have created one screen component, right? Okay, so in the same flow, they want to, the contact information screen is there, right? So double click on it, you will get this. And in the components, so the properties you can enter, and from the left side, you can drag this name into the canvas. So drag this into the screen. And for that name, so it looks like this. So enter the information, like the properties, and disable. I mean, they are choosing a default value might be like as false. First name and last name. Let me know, guys, when once you have done this step. Till here. Has completed.
No. Yes, completed.
Okay. The next step, advanced, also completed. If you scroll down the right side, you will see this advanced and complete this step as well. So just select manually assign variable checkbox and contact first name. And for last name, enter this last name. Guys, did you observe anything here while doing this exercise? So how you are getting these the variables and all here? Based on what you are getting?
Actually, I got
answer.
that. I got that inside the contact we have a first name field.
Yes.
Now we can select here.
How you are getting? So, for example, you have created some other object. Okay. Since contact is a standard object and these fields are already pre-populated, it's a standard, right? So the system knows what are the fields are coming standardly, okay, into the system. So that's why whenever you click on this, you will get all these things by default. For example, you have created a new custom object. So inside that, so after creating an object, you straight away come here and do this exercise. No, you will not get all those fields. Name you may get, but the remaining fields and all you will not get. Why? Because you created a custom object and it's your responsibility to get the remaining fields done. So those are the custom fields. Getting?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Neither you completed till here.
Yes. Next step, add a pick list.
Last name also you have done, or last name? Just similar to first
Yes.
name.
Yes, I have done.
Okay, good. So now into the screen component again, they want to add a pick list. So left side. So left side here, you can get a type of pick list. So you will get a pick list there. So drag that into your screen. So it will come there and follow the next step. Like they might be asking you to enter the name here, account. So hello, can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So add this pick list and name it as account. Okay. Component type as pick list. Want to choose the type of accounts. So basically, what will be what is this is like in general, whenever you create a pick list field, you will enter the pick list values manually, right? While creating a pick list. Correct. Guys, remember while creating a pick list, we need to enter the values, right?
Yeah.
So here, instead of entering the values manually, we are providing a choice. So the standard object account that I am passing. So the type I have chosen as pick list and choice I have given as accounts. So by default, why they have selected this is contact is always in relationship with the account. Okay, without account, there will be no contact. So when you choose this or when you pass this accounts as an input, so all accounts which are there in our Arc or application that will be shown up in the drop down. So from those list of accounts, you need to select a particular account to tag this contact to that account. Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. So add this account here.
Actually, we need to create a new.
Choice resource we need to create, yes. So choice, did they give any name for that? No, they did not mention any here. Text. Right. Till here we connected accounts. Okay, here they versus type choice set API name accounts. So follow the next step also, guys. Yeah. Meanwhile, can anyone name what are the standard objects we have?
Yeah,
What do you mean by standard?
which is provided out of the box.
Yes.
It's that are predefined.
Constructors.
Okay, can you name some of those?
Yes.
Count opportunities, contact leads.
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, you are also doing it right.
Yes.
You don't have any filter, is it? So here, this is the one you asked Rahul earlier.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So till here we was done. Till creating this choice set.
No.
Okay, okay, go on, no problem. Do it slowly. And while doing, just understand the things also, okay? So while creating, you can see what are the things we are populating and from where we need to create this choice set. Okay, all the things just try to remember. You guys completed? Choice set. I mean, at the beginning only we discussed, right? In this thing, you are going to create a screen component. Inside that, you will collect information from the user, and that information you will store it in the record format, that is contact. So whether if the record is already existed, either you can go and update it, or if it is a new contact. So are you asking how the requirement will come in general?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's same, like, so they will tell you to, so I mean, not, they will not mention like in this much detail, but they will, so for example, let's take this one only. They also will give information, like they want to collect some information from the user, and based on that information they want to create or update the contact information. So they will not ask, like they will not tell you to go and create a screen flow and select this pick list choice, record set, and create a if condition. So no, they will not tell you all this information technically. This your responsibility. Find out in which way we can do it better. So when you have all these options in your mind, so they based on the requirement, you need to choose the best. Okay.
Yeah. And what is the actual importance of toggle input component to the screen here?
Okay. Next thing, we want to create a toggle input on the component screen. So this toggle input, like you might have seen like on and off thing, it will be there. So when it is on, inside that, based on that condition, you will go inside and do something. When it is off, you will not do that kind of same exercise. Okay.
Okay.
So just enter the properties also here, what they have given. So when it is active, that means from here, if it is dragged, like it is true, they want to update the existing contact record. If it is inactive, that means in off, they want to create new contact. So, I mean, they don't want to assign the values manually because we already given the values, right?
Yeah.
So once that is done, you guys need to save it actually. So did you guys try this exercise also, run how it works?
Yeah. Actually,
So yeah,
yeah. It will take the input, first name, last name, and the account. In the account, they are inputting the records, means the account name.
yeah. So
And when
that is coming from the record set, right? That choice set we created, and we given the object as account. So that is why account details will come. For example, if you choose the object as opportunity, then opportunity related information or opportunity record names will come there. So if the call already exists, you want to update them. So this will go. Guys, till what step you guys reach now?